Hurricanes are massive tropical storms that can cause extensive destruction when they make landfall. They form over oceans, often in the Gulf of Mexico and Atlantic regions, and can whip winds up to 155 miles per hour. Storm surges can accompany hurricanes, potential lifting sea levels up to 20 feet and overwhelming coastal regions. Hurricanes have the capacity to completely change the landscape in affected areas. They bring heavy rains, damaging winds, and floodings that can last for days or even weeks. Preparation is the most important step in ensuring safety during a hurricane. Coastal residents need to prepare for the storm several days in advance, gathering supplies, and preparing evacuation plans. Further inland, people should secure and protect outdoor items that may become windborne projectiles. In the event of a hurricane, local officials may issue evacuations or curfews. If an evacuation is called, individuals should obey the order and leave the area as soon as safely possible. During a hurricane, it is important to remain informed with up-to-date information from the National Hurricane Center. Communication with family, friends, and neighbors is also essential for those who remain during the storm. It is important to stay inside, find a safe space, and seek shelter when necessary. Electrical power will likely be lost in the affected areas, so individuals should have a battery-powered radio and extra batteries. Staying indoors will ensure the greatest degree of safety during a hurricane. Never walk, swim, or drive through flood waters. Many hurricanes produce strong tornadoes, so people in the area should be aware of tornado warnings and know safety protocols. After a hurricane has ended, individuals may be required to remain indoors or be given a curfew. Cleanup and repairs will take time and should be done carefully to ensure proper safety measures are taken. Looting, scammers, and other dangerous activity may occur in the aftermath of a hurricane, so caution is essential. If individuals need assistance or food during that time, they should register with the local emergency office. Hurricane season typically takes place from June to November, but a storm can occur at any time of the year. It is important to remain prepared for this type of event all year round, regardless of the season. Hurricanes can be tracked through National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, satellites that monitor the oceans. As storms approach the direct path, local emergency offices issue alerts and warnings about the landfall of a hurricane. Residents should closely monitor local news sources for these warnings and follow any issued safety evacuation orders.